Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to send your cycle store flyer to potential customers on WhatsApp via Facebook lead ad automatically. So let's take an example that you are an owner of a cycle store and you have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running Facebook lead ads on that page. So whenever someone clicks on those ads, a Facebook lead ad form will get open. Now you want that whenever that Facebook lead ad form is filled, your store flyer, that is your cycle store flyer, should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of the customers of the leads from your Facebook lead ads, then compose a message in WhatsApp, attach the flyer and send it to the customers. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes actually impossible when you have hundreds and thousands of leads in a single day. So how are you going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a new lead is generated in Facebook lead ads, automatically a message along with your store flyer will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. But here there is one problem, that there is no direct connection between Facebook and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Facebook page named Cycle Store, and this is the Facebook lead ad form, and this is the WhatsApp number of a customer. Now I want that whenever a customer fills this form, the Facebook lead ad form on my Facebook page, automatically the cycle flyer should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. Okay, so let us fill this form first. I'll just give the email address as 𝗪𝗵𝘆25@gmail.com, and I'll give the full name as Adam Smith. And let's give the mobile number over here. Let's click on next and let's click on submit. Okay, thanks, you're all set. Now let us check the WhatsApp, and here we can see a message. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in Cycle Store. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our store. Link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address is given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, Cycle Store. Okay, now let us click on this link and check what is there in this link. Okay, I can see a cyclestore.pdf file is there. Okay, so a cycle PDF flyer is shared with the customer. So here you might be wondering that I just filled a form over here, the Facebook lead ad form, and automatically the cycle flyer is shared with the customer and a message is also sent to the customer. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps, and anyone can do this very easily. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So at step 1, first we have to go to Pabbly Connect, and then we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the cycle store flyer to the customers on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So at step 3, whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook, the same data will be used and your cycle store flyer will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customers. And here we are going to use 360 dialog application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process. For this, let us type Pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here, as you're the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on sign in. In the All Apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as Send Cycle Store Flyer on WhatsApp. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. I am just giving it as Send Cycle Store Flyer on WhatsApp. And let's click on Create. Now here you can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled on our Facebook page, automatically your cycle store flyer should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Facebook Lead Ads. Here in the trigger event, we are going to select New Lead. Now let's click on Connect. Here we have to click on Add New Connection and connect with Facebook Lead Ads. Authorization successful. Okay, and now Facebook Lead Ads is connected to Pabbly Connect. So we are done with step 1. Now moving to step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook Lead Ads. For that, we have to give page and lead generation form over here. So I'll just take you to the page which I have created on my Facebook account. I'll just go to my Facebook account and this is the page, that is Cycle Store. This is the page which I have created. Cycle Store Facebook Lead Ad form. Okay. And this is the form actually look like. So here in Pabbly Connect, we have to select the page, that is Cycle Store. And here we have to select the form. So you can see that Cycle Store form is automatically captured just because I have created just one form over there. If you have some multiple forms, you can select from the drop down. I'll select the form. Now before clicking on Save and Send Test Request, let me just tell you that it will Save and Send Test Request is going to capture the recent response. For that, we have to fill an entry. Let's go to Facebook Lead Ad Forms and here let us fill the details of any of the any of the customer, that is 𝗪𝗵𝘆25@gmail.com. Full name as 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Let's give the mobile number over here. And let's click on Next and Submit. Thanks, you are all set. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and now we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request. Now here we can see the responses received and the details of the customer is captured over here. 𝗪𝗵𝘆, her phone number and the email address. Even the data is captured in the array format also. Okay, in this array format. So here we are done with the step 2 also. That Pabbly Connect has captured the data from Facebook Lead Ads form. Now step 3, send the Cycle Store flyer to the customers on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. For that, we have to go to WhatsApp and we have to create an integration with 360 dialog. So here in Pabbly Connect, let's move to Action Application, Action window, and here in the application, we are going to select 360 dialog. In the action event, we have to select Send Template Message. Now let's click on Connect. Here we have to click on Add New Connection. It is asking for the API key and domain name. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. For that, log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page, and there in the left side you can see Generate API key button. So I'll take you to my 360 dialog account over here. So this is the dashboard of 360 dialog. I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 dialog application and get 360 dialog service at a very affordable price. Here we have to come to the WhatsApp accounts, click on this, and here we can find the option Generate API key. So you have to click on Generate API key. You have to generate an API key, copy that API key. We have to go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Okay. Now once the API key is generated over here, The same API key can be used for different connections. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. Okay. I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to give the domain name. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. An example is also given. This is the example. I'll simply copy this example and I will be pasting it over here. Now whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. Okay. Now if you get some other domain name, you have to paste that domain name over here. After pasting API key and domain name, please click on Save. As I have already generated the API key and I have already created a connection, so I will be clicking on Choose Existing Connection and I will just click on Save. And now here 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So let me tell you, template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So as we cannot send the direct messages on WhatsApp, we first have to create a template. We have to get that template approved from Facebook and then we have to select a specific template over here. Okay. So I'll just take you to my 360 dialog account once again and here we can find Manage Templates option. Let's click on Manage Templates and here you can find the templates which I have already created and got it approved. So if you want to create a new template, simply click on this plus sign, Add Template. Here you can give the template name. You can select the category. There are so many options available. You can select as per your requirement. Okay. You can select the language over here. Then you can select the template type. And here you have to give the body. You can give the text, whatever you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then you have to click on Preview and Submit. And your template will be sent for the approval to Facebook. And once the template is approved, you can use it. So I have already created a template and got it approved. So I'll be using the one which I have already got it approved, that is Send Brochure Final. Let us find that template over here. Okay, this is the template, Send Brochure Final. Let's open this template. Here you can see hello. First number is given in curly braces. Then I have given some more numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the curly braces. So why I have kept these numbers in the curly braces? Just because these are the body fields and the value of these body fields are going to change every time. Okay. So here first parameter we want is as the name of the customer. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here we can give our store name. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our store. Link can be given. Your brochure link with your flyer link can be attached over here. For more details, you can visit our website. Here we are going to give the website address. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards. And here again the store name is going to reflect. So for this particular message, we are going to use the template name, that is Send Brochure Final. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect and here let us select the template name as Send Brochure Final. Now here we can see the namespace and language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now we have to give the recipient mobile number. So the recipient will be the customer. So we have to map the details of this customer which we have got it from Facebook lead ads form. So I'll just map it over here. We'll go to Facebook lead ads form and we will map the phone number from here. Now we can read the instructions. Enter the recipient mobile number with country code. An example is also given +91. So as we are in India, we have to add +91 to this number. Here we can see that +91 is already added. So we are not going to do anything now. If +91 is missing, then we have to give the country code in front of the number. Okay. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali. So here we have to give the name of the customer. So our name of the customer was Shikharya. Let us map this. Body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. So let's go to template. Here, thank you for showing your interest in. Here we can give the name of our cycle store and the name is cycle store itself. So I'll just type cycle store over here. Body field 3, example software. So in body field 3, meanwhile you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our store. We can give the store over here. You can give the names as per your requirement. Okay, here body field 4 example is given, a link is there. So here in our template also we have to give the link of the flyer or the brochure. Okay, so I have just attached a brochure, a flyer into my Google Drive. I'll just go to my Google Drive. So this is a cycle store brochure. I'll simply make a right click over here. I'll click on share. And here we can see the get link option is available. We have to click on copy link. Link is copied. Go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we are going to paste the link. Okay. Now body field 5 example is given, that is a website address. In our template also, here we can see for more details you can visit our website. So we have to give a website address. For that I'll just go to the Facebook page, and from here I will be copying this URL. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will paste the URL over here as the website address. Okay. Now body field 6, again we have to give the cycle store name. Okay. Thank you, regards, and again cycle store. So I will be just copying this cycle store from here and I will be pasting it over here. Okay. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, response is received. Now let's check whether the customer has received a message or not. I'll go to WhatsApp. Okay, and here we can see a new message. I'll just open it. Hello 𝗪𝗵𝘆, thank you for showing your interest in cycle store. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. Okay, so the same message is sent to the customer. Here we can check the parameters, that is 𝗪𝗵𝘆 was the first parameter. Cycle store we have given was the second one. This was the third parameter, store. Then we have attached the link as the fourth parameter. This was the fifth parameter, our website address, and the sixth parameter was cycle store. So all these body fields are placed correctly over here. Now let us check the link also. I'll just click on the link and check whether the correct brochure or the correct flyer is attached or not. Here we can see cyclestore.pdf, okay, and a correct cycle brochure, a correct cycle flyer is attached to the message. Okay, now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now I'll just scroll up and let us check this in the real time. For that again we'll have to go to our Facebook lead ads form. So let us fill this form once again. Let's give the email address as sanjay_sharma25@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as Sanjay Sharma. And let's give the mobile number over here. And let's click on next. And click on submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, so now let us check whether the customer has received a message on his WhatsApp number or not. Let's move back to WhatsApp. And here we can see a message. Hello Sanjay Sharma. Thank you for showing your interest in cycle store. One of our team members will contact you shortly. The same message is sent to Sanjay Sharma also. Let us once again check the link. Okay, and here we can see cyclestore.pdf and the correct cycle flyer is shared with the customer. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and let us minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So we can see that we have created a successful integration and the correct messages are sent on the WhatsApp number of the customers. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the Facebook lead ad forms for knowing the pricing details, automatically a WhatsApp message along with the cycle store flyer should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.